Okay, I normally don't do product reviews, but I recently bought a Seachem Tidal 75 filter for my 75-gallon tank. Before anybody asks, this tank has a Fluval 406 canister on it, as well as the hang-on filter that I purchased. My review is to maybe keep others from buying this filter, and I'll tell you why I don't like it. The filter has the blue knob at the bottom above the intake tube is a skimmer. The skimmer is unable to be turned off, so even though I'm turning down the filter when I feed my fish, every 2 or 3 days, the biomedia that was sent with the filter gets dirty, and then the filter itself shows that it's dirty because it has this blue plug floats up and down to let you know that it needs to be cleaned. Okay, the filter is very quiet, but before you think that, the filter is turned almost all the way down. That's at about half speed. I'm going to take the lid off and I'm going to show you my major issue that I'm having with this filter. And as you can see down there, there's the biomedia. That's their biomedia. I'm using their carbon and the foam pad that they sent me with this. If you look in the very back of this filter, right here where I'm pointing, and watch how this is turned down. Now watch as I turn this wheel up. Watch right here. If you watch at the same time I'm turning the wheel up, you'll see how little it takes to make this malfunction. That water in the back of there is coming over the basket and is not even entering. It's not being filtered, in my opinion. I could be wrong. Okay, but let's turn this up just a hair. Now, if I zoom in here, you can see how the water is coming up over the back of this thing. It's actually, if you set in here, it's actually risen up in the corner. And if anybody asks in the comments, yes, my tank is level, the filter is level, it's been mounted correctly, and I've done everything that I know possible to get this not to do this. Even called Seachem and registered my product with them. They have not responded to me yet. So what I have chosen to do, I bought the filter at saltwateraquariums.com. That's a great place to buy stuff from. They offer free shipping to anybody, and they also didn't hesitate to take my return because I was unhappy with it, and they even pay the return shipping. So I'm not knocking them. Now I'm going to turn this filter up, and now you can notice right here there are 2 plumes of water that are coming up out of this filter, and you can see all the water in the back of it that's flowing over here. And that's with the filter running at full tilt. Like I said before, here's my tank. Before somebody says, well, that filter's doing a good job, the tank is clear, I have a canister filter on here. The only reason that I bought the Seachem filter was to replace a Marineland 350 bio wheel filter, which I should have kept. And while this filter has great features, I mean, I'm not doing all the features on here. I mean, it has like a heater clamp and the skimmer and all those things. I feel like it doesn't suck up very well. You can see that I feed cucumbers to my plecos. I have vampire plecos in my tank. I have woke up before and the filter been turned halfway down, and I go over here and I make sure that the skimmer is not turned on at all, which you cannot turn off. It's turned down as far as it'll go, and I watch particles, and none of the particles go up the intake. So I'm not real sure. I'm not happy with the filter. I mean, it's a nice idea, but it doesn't work for me. So before you buy this, I would think twice. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you.